Alright, so we watched the ending of that, what do you call that, Harmonious?
Yeah.
And now look where we're going now. We have Guardians of the Galaxy now. I want to see how Terry does with this, because I heard you might get a little sick. You have barf bags here.
I've had a couple margaritas.
And what Terry just said, when did you become this serious type?
What's that from? Comment below. Into the track right.
It's cool, look at that. It does look awesome, look at that. I'm not a big fan of this movie, but
I like that.
look at that.
You didn't even know.
I don't know what this is.
Who says America, y'all? Like I said, we're not.
And I am now learning about you and your planet. Came from your great scholar, Peter.
Terry.
However, many of his facts have yet to be confirmed.
While developing friendly relations with civilizations across the cosmos. Resembling the Nova Corps logo. Xandar from the wrong tree.
Wait, did you say the leader? I'm the leader. Wait, who said that?
It was Rocket.
Well, don't believe anything Rocket says.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years.
Generator is gone.
Interior Mark, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
Guardians.
There is no cause for alarm.
Merle's coming.
Turn off that alarm. I've got an important
This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I'm walking onto your vehicle. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Terry. Honey, ready? Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah! Holy
Oh my god!
Have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Oh.
yeah! Woo! yeah!
Terry!
Woo!
This is awesome! Oh my god!
Holy shit!
We're here.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Delta Team, lead your Star Blasters. We have them contained.
Holy shit!
Coordinates for Epcot.
It's Epcot. Epcot. Names these things.
Oh my god, that was awesome! Honey, that was awesome.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Where's that Kratos?
Tears for Fears right here. I'll tell you guys what, that ride we just went on, and I got it in here. Yeah, it was an amazing ride.
That was awesome. Like one of a kind.
Okay, so we're going on Guardians of the Galaxy now, Lightning Lane. Paid $14 each for this, but well worth it.
Yeah.
And
we
we have one later at $3.50 if we're still here. Hey, this ride was amazing. Plus, we had a few drinks in us on Monday, so we're going on totally sober right now. So pretty cool. What do you call that ship? Do you know?
The ship?
Yeah.
There are so many wonders in our universe. You will discover
Intervention of this ragtag team we know as the Guardians of the Galaxy. To uncover the true story, us will be the captain.
Look at that. There's Terry. Here's her ears.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience. So you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator's gone.
Alright, so we waited. So we had Lightning Lane. We got in at 10:05 and it's 10:28. 20 minutes already.
We got stuck in that room.
Yeah, because the room we got stuck in for a little bit.
Lock onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again.
Yeah.
We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest, we don't know where the instructions are on how to open it. We're looking everywhere, and we do appreciate your patience. Please, remain seated. We will have this solved and get you back to the mission as quickly as possible. What? We have to open the airlock? Oh, we got it. You're good to go. Let's do this. Who's gonna stop rock and roll from existing?
What have we done?
I think we're going back. All the way back.
All the way to the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill. I am Groot. Yes, like that.
Whoa.
not paying attention?
Nova team, link your staff up. We haven't been paid, but not for long.
On fine, we are paid already.